Interoperability is a mean and not a goal, a mean to interconnect a system from inside hospital, for example, and also between organization and also national and cross-border today in Europe. So today there are many recommendations, for example, from European Commission on the standard to be used and also to use IHE profile for connecting those systems. Because if we want to exchange medical data at the European level, you need to have some language, some way to define, to design your documents, for example, and if you want to go to the structured documents. Why also is for the use, of course. What is important to start is to start by defining what are the use cases that the end user want to do. So to start by the needs from end user to give a sense of interoperability for them. As I said, it's not a means, but is a support of their needs and to connect a system between them. And another point that is also important is not because you have already installed this connection, you need also to have high quality of the data, medical data, if you want to use by the end user, but also for the secondary use. And for that, you need to test, what is exchanging and to establish a testing strategy. Charles spoke about the blueprint, about interoperability, and he should also include the testing strategy. It gives to all of us transparency of the what, but also how to do it, to be sure that at the end we can trust of this exchange in a security way and also ethical way, and to be sure that the data that are transferred are well processed at the end. I would like to go back to who will use the system. In fact, it's the end user, is the citizens. And what we need is, I will use the word, the change management. And what does it mean? It means that we need to train the end user, we need to train the engineers, we need to train the citizens, so all the stakeholders that are involved to develop, to design, to install, and to implement and to use those systems. So it starts, for example, in a university for healthcare professionals to explain them what is interoperability, how to use it, how to implement. It starts also to the hospital, to the healthcare organization, to explain how to use the system. The system is there for helping them and supporting their daily task, not something over the work that they are doing. And it's not so easy to explain that to them, and they consider, oh, it's another task for me, and I have no value, there is no value. No, there is a value when you know how to use it, and we need to train these end users. For the citizen, now they will say, oh, there are so many mobile applications available, why do they need to use the national one and so on? But we know that there is no, in all overall application, mobile applications, sufficient quality of this application. And we are not sure if we can trust them, if there is a ethic issue and so on. So we need also to train this the citizen to use also the application that they need.